Hi, I'm Ethan and I'm here today to guide you through the basics of planning your low voltage landscape lighting system. So let's get started and put your plan on paper. So let's start with a simple sketch of your property. Be sure to include your building, hardscape, yard, and any other areas you want to light. For this example, we're installing 18 pathway lights along a driveway and walkway to the front porch, spaced about 5 feet apart. This transformer is the heart of your setup. In our setup, we're using a 150 watt transformer to an outdoor outlet on the garage wall. To ensure the system runs safely, we allow a 20% buffer. 150 watts times 80% is 120 watts. Each pathway light uses a 5 watt LED bulb, so let's take our 18 lights times our 5 watt bulb, and that gets us 90 watts. We're well within our 120 watt capacity. For this system, we selected 14 gauge direct burial cable. In this example, the total wire run is about 10 feet from the transformer to the first light, plus 5 feet between each of the 18 fixtures. So that's a total of about 100 feet. Consulting a landscape wire chart, we confirm that 14 gauge wire can handle this load over 100 feet. So now that we've planned your system, let's talk about what you'll need to bring it to life. For starters, your transformer. Your 150 watt transformer is going to step your voltage down from 120 to low voltage. Next, you'll need to select your fixtures. So you have your options of spotlights, pathway lights, in-ground well lights, your step lights, deck lights, or hardscape lights. Next up, you'll need direct burial cable and wire connectors, and ensure that they're sized appropriately for your plan. If you want to automate your system, be sure to look into a photocell or a timer. Some essential tools you'll need for your installation include a tape measure, wire strippers, a screwdriver, and a shovel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert tips and tutorials. So now that your plan's in place, you're ready to shop a wide range of high-quality landscape lighting components with wintergreen lighting. So get out there with confidence and create something beautiful.